guy with his Bogarted S2K. What's going on?
You know, I was just thinking of what to title today's video because I'm kind of just like vlogging for the lulls. So I was thinking, what the dog doing?
What the dog
And then
doing?
have you like pose in front of your car, the thumbnail, and throw a bunch of Shibas. I was like Photoshop a bunch of sheeps on the thumbnail.
Please do.
It's been a minute since I've been here. It really has. I haven't been here in like 2 months.
Hi, what can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I just do a medium caramelized coffee with a shot of blueberry?
Yeah, anything else?
Yeah, can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel? And a large iced cold brew with cream?
Okay, anything else after the cold brew?
It's like Christmas. Except full of Chinese plastic.
Christmas on Sunday.
Yeah. Thank you, Amazon, for only charging me $4 to get it here same day. Ta-da!
What are these for anyway?
I was putting that piece of shit back on. Let's hope they got the right ones, because otherwise I'm going to be sad. Yeah, it should be one of these ones.
Well, howdy ho, fellow watchers. Thanks for tuning in today's video. I don't really know what is going on. I don't have a plan for the video. I needed to get out of the house. I haven't touched my camera in like almost a week and a half, 2 weeks. So the last couple of videos you've been watching is all footage I've been sitting on, other than the S2000 stealing back video. That was just phone footage primarily. Yeah, I don't know, that video's got quite a bit of controversy on it for some reason. For those of you that haven't seen it and you want to go watch it, go check it out. For those of you that have seen it and have any more questions about it, like I don't know if you watched it all the way through or anything, but everything's all sorted. I just posted it just to have something to post because I had injured my back this week, or technically last week, and I sat on the couch for like 3 days in a row this week, just ice, heat, like muscle relaxer type stuff. So it's been kind of a strange week and a half. So I just felt like I wanted to get out and vlog today. I don't have anything in particular going on. I hit up DOGE because it's a Sunday, so he's got the day off, and he was tinkering with his car, so I figured I'd come out and hang out and do anything besides sit at my house depressed by myself. So got me out here buying Dunkin', even though I ain't had Dunkin' in like 2 months. Been using my pour over that Chapo gave me. I think I mentioned that in a previous video. That thing tastes pretty good. But came around on it. But so we're just hanging out, having a good time. Hopefully you guys do stick around for the remainder of the video, whatever that remainder may be. But while you're here, you should go hit the Big Cartel and go get some merch, even though I'm wearing Zosh merch. You should get Zosh merch too, and then tell them I sent you, and then tell them that I request 8% in dividends or something. I don't know. So what the Doge doing?
What the Doge doing? Yeah, a little bit of everything. Everybody's giving me crap about my car recently, that I hate my car. It's only marginally true. I hate doing the same job twice. So I made a splitter about a year ago, put it on there, and that screwed up the bumper on the driver's side. I don't know if you guys eagle-eyed viewers have probably noticed the driver's side was jacked up. It was popped out a little bit, tore the tab, and it's actually that splitter right there.
Everybody noticed.
Yeah, I was gonna say everybody knows. Yeah, Home Depot plywood. This was a piece of REM plywood they had laying there, and you can see on the edges it's bowed up pretty good. So what would happen when it was mounted is this would push up into the bumper ever so slightly, and over time it would force the bumper up and out. So it tore the tabs pretty good on the driver's side where I already had some damage. So it was kind of a long-term goal, get a replacement piece of splitter made up. Need to do that. Said fix the bumper while I was doing that, and then my headlight clearing that I did a few years ago started to fail too. So just since I had to take the bumper off to do any of this stuff, I wanted to do all three. So just got it wrapped up, and it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy to finally be done with that part of it.
Yeah, this is why I think you should just start your own YouTube channel. You should do like ASMR working on cars or some crap like that.
Dude, I love watching the restoration videos, man. Some of the guys doing like machine work and stuff in Europe, They're really really addicting to watch. There's some
Yeah,
cool
'cause, I
shit.
mean, you do a lot of projects between your cars, and like some of them big, but a lot of them just even small stuff like that. People
Yeah.
watch, like, I don't know. I mean, you guys obviously watch my crap, so would you guys be interested in watching Doge doing crap like that? I think it'd be interesting. Like,
YouTube channel just called What the Doge?
yeah, what the dog doing?
It's a bunch of old ass memes.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can see if you zoom in, you can pick up on that guy right there.
Oh,
It did, yeah. That's where the bumper was really pushing out, and it cracked the paint there. Whichever, whatever. This bumper's gotten jacked
Yeah,
up
you
pretty
can't
good.
even see it.
Yeah, I'm sure when I wash the car after like the third or fourth time, it'll just rip the paint right off, and then that'll be life. But yeah, the headlight had been failing pretty bad up here. I sanded it all the way back down, resprayed it with 2K Spray Max. Usually go 600, 800, 1000. Spray the clear on, and then I'll do like a 2K sanding, 3K sanding, and then try and do some polishing in there. So I used my porter cable, got it polished back up here. I'm gonna wait a few days. One of our buddies, Efren.
Oh, super smooth.
Yeah, dude, it looks so much better.
Yeah.
Efren had said he might help
feels
do some
great.
PPF for me. Failing that, might just get some wax on it and just try to keep it fresh again. So, lasted about 3 years. Last time I sprayed it on the car, so it had gotten really thin treatment up at the top of the headlight. This time I had the headlights out and I could just spray them willy-nilly out on a bench. So. Hopefully I got a little bit better coverage this time around. It'll last longer.
Yeah.
3 years should be nice though.
They look nice and minty.
Thanks.
I think I definitely should do that to mine though.
Yeah.
For sure, because mine, seeing how clean yours are now really makes me.
They look brand new.
Yeah, look how
they look
bad
brand
mine
new
are.
every time you do it.
Yeah, I've
I
seen
hate
the
doing all the
prices
work.
of like replacement ones because I've kind of contemplated getting
It's
some of the
nuts.
JDM ones with the clear corners, just because the silver. I think the silver and the white looks good.
Right.
But even the used sets that are beat up are going for 1,100.
It's nuts. Yeah, it's nuts. I
insane.
was talking to our buddy Vu about it this morning, and it's like it's almost worth getting replacement sets of headlights while they're still available because the cost just keeps going up for all of the parts.
Yeah, it's incredible. Like I
Any
thought.
of you own S2Ks out there, please don't buy up all the parts. Wait for us to get
Yeah,
ours
like
first.
anytime, I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm still cheap and I'm still trying to get, I don't know, build my bank up or whatever. But going from Miata stuff, like some of the Miata stuff is expensive, but everything on an S2000 is expensive. Even eBay stuff on S2000s is expensive. Like, and there's not a lot of eBay crap on these cars, which is probably for the better. But I mean, the fender is cheaper than I thought it was. My replacement one is $320 through Honda. But that's probably the cheapest part of the car. Like ASM floor mats, for example, you're looking at I think about $300 plus a 9-month waiting period coming from Japan. Looking at any sort of mirrors, like aftermarket mirrors, like the little motorcycle carbon ones, you're looking at like $400 to $600 for those. Like, I mean, granted, this isn't S2000 specific, but like a Voltex Type 3 like this, you're looking at like, what, $2,200 plus
I think so. Yeah.
9 months from Japan. I mean, everything on these cars is just ridiculous. But it's all worth it. These things are just amazing.
The quality parts too. Long story short, so I had some BBS wheels that came on this car. I traded those straight across for a carbon trunk and that wing, which I was going to get way more use out of.
Yeah.
The BBS wheels, I loved them, but they were 18s and they just didn't drive very well. So now I've got 17 squared up, and the wing is dope. Love it.
Yeah. And I'm on the lookout for a Voltex Type 2 or Type 3, like what Doge has here. I'd take either or, but preferably the Type 2 just because I personally like the look a little bit better, but 1600 mil, if any of you S2000 guys have one. I've posted up on a few parts pages, nobody has one. And I can't afford a new one, but I've seen the used ones going for around 1400, 1500, so I don't know, we'll see. If we can keep it around that price range, if any of you guys got a hookup, shoot me a message on Instagram. Your boy needs some downforce now that I got some sticky tires. The car is getting a little squirrel happy.
Yeah. I hate wheel locks.
You got 4 more.
I know.
What are you talking about?
I'm doing the wheel lock first.
Oh, I didn't know you had them.
Yeah. I got the fancy boy. Mid guards or whatever. 2-piece ones.
Ooh, crispy.
Crispy. That was a good one. So I need to get over this. Learning how to open a box.
It's always Christmas at Doge's house.
Mine
What size sway bar is it?
Good question. Let's see. Happy enough. 22-ish.
22-ish. Yeah. So that means I think my stock DA one's got to be like a 18 maybe. Maybe smaller.
It's bigger than DJ CRX, though, right?
Yeah.
I'll say that one's like.
Yeah, I mean it's still scrawny, but it's a hair bigger than the CRX one, I'm sure. But that looks good though.
Yeah. Didn't realize it was adjustable too. That's nice.
It's not all billet, but it'll do.
Should do the job. It came with in links and everything. Like, that's pretty nice.
Are they adjustable end links? Or just normal?
Probably just normal.
Fancy, fancy.
Yeah, I guess it is.
So we moved on to a new day. Hanging out with DOGE was fun and all. We just kicked it for a while. Hopefully you guys thought that was kind of interesting, getting to see some of the stuff on his car. But today is actually my buddy Devin's birthday. He's a very old friend of mine. Oh God, that's so loud. I don't know if I think he's been on the channel just a while ago. But basically, I'm gonna go head up to his place, about an hour and a half away, get some skating in. I think he wants to go fishing. I don't have a fishing license, and I don't feel like getting freaking popped by the cops because I know those tickets ain't cheap, but whatever. Yep, let's continue this vlog into today and go hang out, have some fun, hopefully get a few skate clips in for you guys.
Always the hard part. Oh. Oh.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Alright, we're successful.
Little bobber.
Little bobber setup. Little bobber.
Gosh, I love this time of year though.
Isn't it nice?
It's so nice.
Here, grab that guy.
Okay.
That'll be the one you're gonna use. Be really concerned as to where the trap came from. If we caught some trap, I'm gonna get two.
Seems like nasty.
Yeah.
Is that like real egg or is that just like rubber?
They're like little rubber plastic squishy guys. Little plastic rubber squishy guys.
Ducks are just chilling.
Yeah. All my ducks are in a row over here. Alright. We're gonna try out this super garlic scent too. See if they like. Oh god! Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Help me, Tom, please.
I didn't know that fish like garlic.
Woo!
Does that stink?
Oh, it's stanky.
Stinking?
That's strong, baby.
I'm sure a lot of you guys are a lot more, what is this, skilled, experienced in fishing than me. I haven't, I don't think I've fished since I was probably 7, 8 years old maybe. Never had the attention span for it back then, so just hanging out for the day. I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully I don't get caught, because I've got a license for this. And it's kind of sad that you gotta have a license just to catch and release, or whatever, I don't know.
So you can manually use your hand and just spin it. It doesn't go backwards. So just, yep. See, yeah, use your hand. It's a lot easier. Yep, you're hitting your bobbin. That's all right. Just keep going right there. Boom. Now take your finger and just hold that line. Just like that.
Like
then,
tight or just
hold it, because once you open this bail, that's gonna want to come off. The line's gonna drop. So hold it on there. Open your bail.
So, haven't caught nothing yet, but kind of getting the hang of throwing the thing, but I don't know. This is a lot harder than it looks, and I posted on my Instagram story just chilling with the rod. I didn't realize just how many of you guys are actually into fishing, because I've got like, it's been like 10 minutes, I've got like 5 or 6 story replies already about fishing, and you guys are pretty into it, so yeah, maybe we should get a fishing license and a rod and all this crap and start doing this on the channel. What do you guys think? I don't know. Something. It's kind of fun. Give me an excuse to go out, some water, drink some beer, hang out for a while, you know. Maybe try and get the boys into it. We'll see. I'm gonna put something else on. I don't really know what I'm looking for, but try something. The gabagoo.
The gabagoo. Don't even think really it's going to do me any good putting it on this kind of bait here, but we're going to see what happens. Yippee! Probably, doing this right so I cast. Where did it go?
I don't even know. I didn't way
see
over
it.
there, yeah. Can barely see it.
Just barely.
Barley. Okay, we're moving to a third spot. I got a bite on that last one, but I didn't really feel it. I didn't even know it. I was like, hey, bobber's moving. He's like, pull it back, and I pulled it back, and I dropped it. So, go me.
Yay!
Yeah. So I'm trying a third spot. I don't know. I get the sensation. I get the adrenaline. It's a rush. But I don't know. It is fun though. Just having a good time, chilling. You just queef.
Huh? Yeah, sorry about that.
Dude, that dog sounds like it's dying. Looks like he just wants the ducks or something. Oh, I see another dog over there. Alright guys, well, I think this is about where we end this video off here. So I am just finishing putting a label on this bumper bar that's going out to, I think, Wichita, Kansas. So shout out to John Watts for supporting your boy getting a DA bumper bar. So if you guys want to help support the channel as well, while I'm doing this outro, go hit the big cartel, go pick up a DA or EG Del Sol bumper bar if you can. Maybe go scoop some merch. This is Debbie Garage merch because he's my boy. But yeah, if you guys want to help support the channel, that's the best way. Also using those Amazon affiliate links. Today is just a super nice day, so depending on how the rest of the morning goes, because about midday now, I'm probably going to try and start filming another video because we got a little bracket to swap out on the Integra finally, and then, you know, just kind of whatever else I can come up with at the moment. Anyways guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Again, I had a lot of responses to my Instagram story about the fish and stuff, so I don't know if you guys are interested in me doing crap like that. I don't even know. Never thought that'd be something I'd get a lot of responses on, but let me know in the comments down below if you guys are into that kind of stuff. Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one. So do what you love, forget about the rest, and keep killing it. Peace out.